क्या किया था, उन्होंने भी यही किया था। वो भी कांग्रेस में थे, उन्होंने किसके पीठ पे छुरा घोंपा था, ये भी सभी पूरे महाराष्ट्र को पता है। तो देवेंद्र जी ने कहा था उन्होंने किया तो मुत्सद्देगिरी होती है, हाँ। और अभी हमने किया तो लोकशाही को मतलब छोड़कर है, लोकशाही का घात किया है, लोकशाही का खून किया है, ऐसी बातें वो कर रहे। मुझे लगता है कम से कम पवार साहब ने तो भी ये बातें नहीं करना चाहिए। पीछे उन्होंने क्या किया है वो भी थोड़ा पीछे मुड़कर उन्होंने देखा। कैबिनेट का विस्तार, उसका बंटवारा वो शिरोमणि तो हो गया है। मुझे लगता है जल्द से जल्द होगा। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय, इनका ये निर्णय है, इनका ये अधिकार है। मुझे लगता है माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय, माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र जी बैठेंगे, अजीत दादा भी बैठेंगे और उसके बाद मुझे लगता है जल्द से जल्द, अभी कम समय भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, 1 साल 1.5 साल की बात है, इसलिए हमें मंत्री का विस्तार भी किया है। अभी और भी ओथ है, वो भी लेंगे, जल्द से जल्द लेंगे। लेकिन अभी खाते वाटप जो है, मुझे लगता है उसके लिए भी ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा।
The NCP, Pawar Saab and everyone has called for a meeting for all the MLAs on the 5th of July. I think there the entire clear picture will come out. We'll come to know that it's the entire NCP is all together and they are standing with the BJP and they want to work under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji wholeheartedly.
So the history is going to repeat. What happened with Shiv Sena is again happening with NCP.
No, because Shiv Sena is a different case altogether. 40 people had left Shiv Sena and they had joined, they are the Shiv Sena, and today Eknath Shinde ji is the Shiv Sena. Here the NCP itself has come with the BJP. As rightly said by Praful Patel ji, a larger consensus is needed, which in a matter of few days you will see that also.
So my last question: how do you see to Congress's allegation of calling the BJP a washing machine, saying that Ajit Pawar and others joined a fearing investigation from central agencies, and of course the disqualification?
Congress has no space left in the Maharashtra politics. If you must have heard Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal speak yesterday, he clearly mentioned that Pawar Saab himself said that in 2024 Narendra Modi ji is going to come back as the Prime Minister of India. It directly says that the opposition and the allies who are sitting with Rahul Gandhi ji in Patna do not accept him as a leader. So Congress party, rather than calling us names, criticizing the BJP, it should worry about its own future. Wait, that's what I'm requesting. It's a matter of few days. Let the 5th July meeting happen. Let's see what happens with when all the MLAs come together and speak to Pawar Saab, and then we can take a call on that.
This was Nitish Rane speaking exclusively to Republic TV, and he says that he's confident of Ajit Pawar and the support that he has, and of course the Congress